Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by setting the foundations. Pick 24 FPS for classic cinema or 30 FPS for smoother motion and make sure all clips match. Once imported, trim ruthlessly, remove dead frames so pacing feels intentional. Then apply your frame ratio, use 16, 9 for widescreen or crop to a 2. 39, 1 letterbox so composition reads cinematic. As you do this, create a new project preset and name it. That way every step that follows inherits consistent motion and framing. Next you shape the look and movement. Apply a base LUT to establish tone, but reduce opacity so skin tones remain natural. This prevents color clipping. Once done, tweak exposure, contrast, shadow lift, and highlight roll-off to create depth and separate subject from background. Then focus on motion. Stabilize shaky clips, add small push-ins or dolly-like keyframes, and use 0, 5 to 1. 5x speed ramps to emphasize beats. Make sure transitions stay consistent, so the edit never finish by dialing in texture and audio. Add a subtle grain layer and a light vignette around 1 to 3% to glue the image without distraction. On audio, level dialogue first, use gentle reverb sparingly, and set music ducking so voices remain clear. Export at a high bitrate and correct codec for delivery. If colors shift after export, troubleshoot by checking color scopes and LUT intensity. Make sure project color space and export settings match before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.